Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the process of installing KernelSU Next on the OnePlus 6T, specifically if you're running the awesome DerpFest ROM. It's a clean, modern way to get root access, and the installation is surprisingly straightforward. Before we begin, you need to download two essential files. I'll have links for these in the description below. First is the KernelSU Next patched boot image. This is the core file we'll be flashing in recovery, and it comes as a handy .zip file. The second file is the KernelSU Manager APK, which is the app we'll use to manage root permissions on the phone. Next, you need to get that patched boot image zip file onto your phone for installation. You have a couple of options here. You could use ADB sideload if you're comfortable with that, but I find the easiest method is using a USB pendrive with an OTG adapter. So that's what I'll be showcasing today. Just copy the kernelsu.boot.zip file directly onto your pen drive. Once that's done, we're ready to move to the phone. All right, with the files ready, the first step on the phone is to boot into recovery. Go ahead and power off your device completely. Once it's off, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you feel a vibration and see the OnePlus logo. This will boot you into your custom recovery. Now that we're in recovery, the process is simple. Navigate to the Install Update or Apply Update option. Inside this menu, you'll see a few choices. Since we copied our file to a pen drive, we're going to select Install from OTG or Apply from OTG. Now, just locate the KernelSU Next patched boot image zip file that you copied earlier and select it. The moment you select the file, it will automatically start installing. You'll see some text scrolling on the screen, which means the flashing process is underway. Just be patient and let it finish. And there we go. Once the installation is successful, don't press anything else just yet. Go back to the main menu and select the option to reboot your device. Your phone will now restart. This boot might take a little longer than usual, which is perfectly normal after a flash, so don't worry. We're almost done. The core components are installed, but we still need the Manager app to control everything. Open up your file manager, find the kernelsu.apk that you downloaded earlier, and install it like any other application. Let's open it up to verify. As you can see, the app shows a working status, which means we have successfully installed KernelSU and have full root access. It's that easy. So that's how you install KernelSU Next on your OnePlus 6T, running DerpFest ROM. If this video helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.